we are having here is actually a local bean soup.
Sokacbab or korsósbab.
Yeah, it's a very traditional food that they are preparing here in August. And you know, see, they have these kind of casks here. They're turning them around in front of the fire, and they cook it for 4 hours. 4 hours. Now we taste it, yeah? Oh, amazing, you know? Ah, fantastic. A really strong, nice soup. The meat is really soft and spicy.
Pork, ham, smoked ham.
Fantastic. I also took one of these chilies. I'm really looking forward to that. I think it will be very, very hot with it.
Yes. They are normally hot, of course.
Okay. I did it.
Nalazimo se u Vukovaru na Dunavu, na brodu koji se zove Vukovarski vodeni autobus Bajadera. I ono što je evo zaista specifično, to je da smo mi elektrobrod. Mislim da još jedan ovakav postoji u Njemačkoj, ali evo, znači 2 broda elektro postoje na Dunavu.
Mi smo u startu htjeli da brod bude na struju, da gostima bude što udobniji, da bude ono što dolazi za sutra, jer struja i baterije i ti modeli su budućnost.
I kakvi smo trenutno s baterijama?
S obzirom da smo sad krenuli, mogli bi još jedno dobrih 8 sati da plovimo, da pričamo, da gledamo filmove, da pravimo kokice i da sva ova opća služba radi, znači dobrih 8 sati bi još mogli ploviti.
How does it look? It could be better, man.
You're sweating, man.
Yes, I'm sweating and I'm drinking a lot of water.
There is Morava River. This side we are in Slovakia, as you can see. At the other side it's gonna be the Austria.
You see, we are collecting Trans-Danube pearls. Yeah. And actually, now we are having city break.
We just arrived with a ferry down from Breitenbrunn, which took us here to Podersdorf. It's one of the biggest municipalities here around the lake with the most overnight stays. But actually we are leaving. Actually we are taking bikes. And what is offered here by the region is the next bike rental system. They have an app where you actually can locate where the next free bikes are placed. You tell them the number which you find here on the bicycle, and they actually provide you with the locker's code. And you just unlock it, use it, and give it back at the next station.
This windmill is the most famous landmark. It was built in 1849 and it was in use until 1926.
The concept behind this store is actually that the wineries bring their wine here and they offer it for the same price as you would buy it at their place. It's a great opportunity if you just stay for a couple of days here and you don't have the possibility to get to all the wineries to taste some different wines.
I think it's that idea of going back to what is naturally growing here. We're going back to the grapes that naturally came from here, like Blaufränkisch Zweigelt, St. Laurent.
So it's time for gastro break, a long one.
With the cheese, we have a fig mustard and chili pepper jam. Then we have 4 different spreads. So we have liver, and that is Leberkäse, also kind of a liver pate, Angus. And we have Schmaltz. It's kind of fat spread. No. We have 4 different kind of sausages. These are chili sausages, so they're quite spicy. Then we have buffalo. From the Angus, we have the hard sausages and the cheese sausages.
Oh, nice.
Mali veliki Kazan, mesto gdje je Dunav najuži na celom svom toku. Kod Golubca opet mesto gdje je Dunav najširi na celom svom toku. Tu kod manastira Mrakonje je Dunav i najdublji na celom svom toku.
Here we are now, heading to the Iron Gate. The narrowest part of the Danube. It's just 150 meters wide, but down there it's deep like 80 meters or something like that.
Ja sam izmerio najviše 89 metara, najviše sam izmerio. Mašta počne da ti radi, znaš, razmišljaš kako li je tu sada, šta tu ima. Sonar mi stalno piše tu na dubinama, recimo od 60-70 metara, šta to može bude, kako može to. Nikad niko nije tu raznožaronio koliko tu ima olupina brodova koji su se za vreme starog Đerdapa podavili, tako dalje.
So, roasted lamb in Kladovo.
Come on,
let's try it. Idemo. This is called bubrežnjak.
And
that's it.
That's it.
Turn off the camera.